Dear Forex traders, welcome to this amazing segment of weekly Forex market analysis, Forex trading strategies, and Forex trading education. So in this content, guys, we'll be looking at the Aud USD analysis, right? Aud USD market analysis. And for the Aud USD, guys, we'll just be looking at the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame, right, to build our sentimental bias for the market. Okay, so if you love this idea, guys, don't forget to stick to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment below your favorite trading pair and trading sentiment or bias for this same pair. So guys, let's dive into the chart. Okay, so for the Aud USD, guys, we're looking at the weekly time frame. As always, guys, we'll be using the moving average strategy and confirmation. We'll also be using our demand and supply trading technique, and then we'll also be incorporating our Fibonacci trading retracement tool for confirmation, guys. Okay, so for the Aud USD, guys, now the first condition, guys, which is our moving average configuration. As you can see here, guys, price has the weekly price, right? On the weekly chart time frame, the price has broken and closed above the moving average, which gives us a kind of reason or sentimental bias to go bullish in the market. Okay, now with developmental strides and all, guys, we'll also be using the Fibonacci trade retracement tool. Okay, but then let's deduce a demand and supply zone in the market. Now, guys, if you look right here, guys, there is an impulsive move, like an impulsive rally to the upside. Now, this impulsive rally after this particular bullish move, guys, after this particular hammer that we see here, right, the pin bar, right, you can see that this price here has made a structural low, right? This is a swing low, and the price has very much reacted to that. And because of this impulsive move here, we have here to be a demand zone. Okay, previously on the weekly time frame, I wanted to use the box tool. Okay, we have here to be a demand zone. Okay, so there's a demand zone right in price, and due to this demand zone, guys, you can see price actually first one when the price rejected here, there was kind of reaction, and price actually came down and broke for that to show that there's a kind of bullish sentiment in the market. So first off, guys, if you look at the Aud USD on the chart right here, if you look at the chart, there's a sentiment that, hey, Aud USD for some time has been bearish. Okay, so we want to see perhaps this price, because we don't know yet if there will be a price reversal or whatnot, right? But we want to see where this price will actually react to first of all, right? Should the price not make a reversal to the upside, it may get to that price point before it starts coming further to the downside. So to do that, guys, we'll be looking at the swings that has been formed in the market. This is a swing high, right? And the price actually came downwards here, right? This is actually not a confirmed swing, but we can actually consider here to also be a swing. So there's a swing low here, there's a lower high, right, a swing here, and then a lower low swing. Okay, so if we bring this price from the high swing of supply, right, to this point here, we will be seeing some sensitive levels that price may actually react to, which one is where the 61.8, which is a very good area for a normal retracement to somewhere around here. Price may react here, and price may also come deep into this zone to react. That means if there's not a trend reversal. Okay, now let's consider here 61.8, which is cool because at 61.8 you can see a sensitive level. This is the 02, around here is 7287, which is somewhere around this 7280 golden round number. Okay, so let's say price will definitely come to this point, definitely. Okay, so that's an area that we could consider for a take profit at this level. Okay, now for the move that we see here, guys, looking at the weekly time frame, you can also see another impulsive move. This candle that broke and closed above the moving average was quite impulsive. Okay, now if we delve further to the lower time frame, a daily time frame perspective, we see here this same impulsive move, all right, which makes here a sensitive level. All right, now on the 4-hour time frame, it becomes very much clear. seeing the swings since the demand zone was formed, we can see from this zone here, right, that the price has been making what higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows. The structure here was broken, right? You can see this little swing here. It's kind of broken, and price almost closed but did not break and close below, right? And then this structure was broken to the high side, and we saw this impulsive move, right? The most recent swing, which is here, and the swing here was kind of broken to the upside. So guys, we actually use our Fibonacci tool, which if you go through our previous content on how we've been applying the Fibonacci retracement tool trend strategy with time of trade, right, you see how we use this particular tool, but we'll still explain it to you. So what we'll be considering here, guys, is where the last price, like the origin, I call it the origin of price, right? This is the price that actually broke. This is the price that broke what this minor swing. So if we actually look at here, this level here, to where the end, before we can see some retracement, we can expect at this point, we can expect price to what come down to this level. Right, from here we can expect, if we see price come down to either the 61.8, 50 or 79 fib level, it can actually be a very good place for us to enter the market. And if you look here, guys, is a 90.6990, which is quite a round number. If we look around here, guys, you can see the 20 right at 61. You can see the 20. So it's very possible for price to come to this level, either of these levels, to react, and then we find an entry there. So we can expect price to make this move around. I'll be using the 61.8. I like that coolly. So on Monday, when the market opens, definitely we'll be studying the price, watching the market to see if price will come to this zone. And if we see some reasons around here that price is consolidating somewhere around here, we'll be expecting price to actually reach this level. And when that happens, guys, that's our entry, either this level or the 79.9 level. And then we'll be looking at where taking this price to the upside. Okay, from this level here, then we have this. All right, so I can remove the retracement tool. Okay, so we have something like this. This should be green. Okay, and this should be red. Okay, so a move like this would not be bad. And if we look in between, guys, you can see if this possibly happens with a good risk to reward, you can see from 7026 to about 262, this is about 200 pips, right? 200 pips movement. And then if the price actually breaks here and moves further, then we'll confirm that this structure has been broken, and then we would look to analyze the market again. So a sentimental bias for the Aud USD at the moment, guys, is kind of bullish. However, there's a bearish trading opportunity in here. If that presents the market on the intraday time frame, we may consider selling the markets before we get to our point of interest. And if the conditions are further met, if we find reactions or possible entries, possible reasons, guys, to go long, we'll be taking it, or for the Aud USD. So guys, that's a sentimental bias for the Aud USD pair. Comment below, guys, what you think of the Aud USD and your own sentimental bias. Once again, Precious Millionaire Logistics. Thank you.